Maddie, you ready to go to the beach? Fast?
Facts.
Facts.
You're really from New York, aren't you? You ready to go to the beach?
Okay.
Let's go.
You like it? On your feet?
Come, let's go. Come with Daddy.
Why not?
Come here, baby. Come.
It's so slippery.
This is your kind of first time, second time at the beach. The sand. My little Moana.
It's coming, look, the water.
The ocean is a friend of mine.
Stop right here. Look, the water. Woo!
It's cold.
Whoa, yeah.
You
Look,
okay?
Eva.
You okay, baby?
You okay?
You don't like it? I thought you liked the ocean.
Yeah, it's like Moana. Look, beep, 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 beep.
Sand. You never played in the sand before. Look, Maddie, look. So the last time we came here to Puerto Rico, at the beach there was like a little food stand, food truck, empanadas, it had pizza, had a couple different things. So we were hoping it would be the same when we got here. Fortunately, they weren't here this morning, so Maddie and Juan are at the beach, and I'm walking to get us food. We were really hoping to get food at the beach. Not that far though, up the block, not that far. And apparently, Joanna just sent me a video of Maddie screaming, crying because I left. Can't leave, me or Joanna can't leave without her crying, thinking that we won't come back. Good thing about the Airbnb is that we can go shopping and cook in our own apartment instead of wasting money buying food every day. Hello, hello, hello everyone. It's Wednesday, day number 3, 4? 3? We got here Sunday, so Sunday, Monday, I don't know what, I can't count. Cobblestone and strollers don't mix. So we are now in Old San Juan. We haven't really been vlogging as much as we thought, or as I thought I would.
Yesterday was a beach day.
Yesterday was strictly beach day. The day before we went to the cemetery to visit my great-grandfather. I didn't vlog any of that. Yeah, I think we've just been really like just living in the moment instead of vlogging every moment. It's like we used to. Yeah, back in the day, like last year, we would just vlog every single moment instead of just being in the moment. But we're gonna try to capture some things today. We are in Old San Juan today.
A lot of cruise ports came in.
A lot of cruise ports or cruise ships?
Cruise ships came in.
Into port, she means. A lot of cruise ships came into port in Old San Juan, so it's a little bit busy. We've never actually come down here at this time, like midday. Usually we come it's like after 5 o'clock or at nighttime. Everything's already closed and only the restaurants are open. But yeah. Carnival Breeze. Did we go on that one?
Nope. We were supposed to.
Jay was just mentioning that we've never really been down this way. Like we've been here. How many times have we been to Puerto Rico already?
A lot.
Probably like 5.
Sometimes.
5, 6 times, right? And we've never ventured off this far, like number 1. And number 2, we've never come into Old San Juan during the day. We always come like late in the evening. So we're seeing some new things for the first time.
Yeah.
Miss Puerto Rico is over there. She leaving. So we were just eavesdropping at that event. We have no idea what was going on.
We're not really into the whole. Well, we do listen to Spanish music.
But yeah, so supposedly it was a Spanish
urban Spanish music
rapper there. The big guy with. He might not even be reggaeton. He might be like rap. I don't know.
Might be. Who knows?
I don't know. But apparently he was pretty big because everybody wanted to take pictures with him. I have no idea who that was. If you know who it was, if you know who it was, put it in the comments. Here's a fish in the water. Not sure if he's dead or alive.
Oh, there we go. Down.
So we came down here last time at nighttime, and now the umbrellas. And look who's sleeping. Who do you think is sleeping here? Party pooper. Party pooper. 8. Very good. And what number is this one right here?
5.
Very good. What number is this one over here? What number is this?
1.
1. And what number is over here? What number is this?
2.
What number is that?
3.
What number is this?
6.
No, this one.
6.
This one is 6. What one is this
No,
one?
it's everything.
You're close. Very good.
Everything.
Give me 5. Thank you. Maddie, push the button, please. Thank you so much. So after I guess a long day, right? It wasn't that bad. But it was a chilly day. The sun was barely out. It was come and go. So we didn't do much. We didn't go to the beach or anything like that.
Push it.
We just went.
Good job.
We came back home and
He edited.
did some editing for the vlog.
Maddie caught up on her shoes.
She put up on her shows. We had a couple drinks, hung out on the balcony, and we're gonna go out to dinner. So it was an uneventful day, but an eventful day, if that makes sense. We did a lot of cool things.
Okay, we're still here for a few more days.
Yeah. So we're gonna go out to dinner right now, and we're just gonna have a quiet evening, dinner, couple drinks, right, baby? Maddie's gonna have a couple drinks
Her apple juice.
of her apple juice, and she's gonna go to sleep. She's been so good though lately.
Yeah.
Just a couple tantrums that we hopefully.
She's been on this bit where every time, like, I would leave the room or Mark would leave the room or walk away from her, she'll flip out.
My mommy or my dad, where'd you go? Yeah, she like freaks out. She never really does
The
that.
beach yesterday, she freaked out.
Yeah, I went to get food yesterday at the beach.
My dad.
I love you too. Alright, guys. This is weird. What? I don't even know. What am I watching? Okay. Loopies, this is where we are to eat, but what am I watching? Okay, cool. Are your wings?
We're good.
Those are the same wings I had that almost killed me the first day we were here.
They're mild.
I almost died when I woke up. Cheese fries. Back at the apartment, having dinner. You full?
I am.
This mess over here, don't mind it.
Chicken wings.
Just can you block that out the way? Yeah, the mess. Yeah, so we got chicken wings. Maddie is pretty much donezo.
Big time.
Yeah, she's ready to go out. But calling it a night. What's in store for tomorrow?
Beach.
Beach, cool. Say goodnight. No? Okay.